In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for Shopify product research, fast and easy. To get started, you'll first need to head over to your browser and type in Google Trends. Once you hit search, click on the first link that appears in the results. This will bring you to the main page of Google Trends, a powerful tool that allows you to explore trending searches and gain valuable insights for your business. Once you're on the Google Trends homepage, you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed. Here, you should enter a broad product idea or category that you're interested in researching. For example, you might type in wireless earbuds, pet toys, or eco water bottles. By keeping your search term broad, you'll gather a wealth of data that can help refine your product ideas. After entering your keyword, hit Explore. This will take you to a detailed dashboard filled with various trends and data points. To make the most out of your research, it's crucial to adjust the filters according to your needs. Start by setting the location filter to your target country or region. This ensures that the data reflects the market you're interested in. Next, focus on setting the appropriate time range. If you're interested in short-term campaigns, consider examining data from the past 7 days. For planning current campaigns, the past 12 months might be more relevant. Meanwhile, the past 5 years can help in spotting long-term seasonal cycles. You should also refine your search with categories. Selecting the right industry category ensures you're getting the most accurate data possible, tailored to your specific field. After setting these filters, you'll have a clearer view of the product's trend within your desired market and time frame. Next, take a look at the interest over time graph. This chart is eye-opening. It helps you spot whether interest in your product idea is steady, growing, or declining. A steady or increasing trend line suggests a viable product idea. On the other hand, if the trend is declining, it might indicate a risky or saturated market. Be particularly mindful of spotting any spikes that occur during specific months, as these indicate seasonal products, allowing you to plan your marketing efforts accordingly. Scroll further down to discover related topics and queries. This section can highlight breakout queries, which indicate fast-growing demand, presenting early opportunities. Consistently high queries, meanwhile, suggest stable, long-term products you could consider focusing on. Finally, take advantage of the Plus Compare feature to test multiple product ideas against each other. By comparing, for instance, smart home lights versus smart plugs, you can quickly determine which product has higher or growing interest. Choose the product with the better trend to increase your chances of success. And that's it. With these steps, you can efficiently use Google Trends to conduct Shopify product research, helping you make data-driven decisions quickly and easily. We hope you found this tutorial useful. Thanks for watching, and happy researching.